Hi, in this video I will make a simple sound system in easy way. All components of sound system are easy accessible in the market. So first of all, look at the diagram. All components of sound system are seen on the diagram. After seeing diagram, we will solve all components one by one. Now first of all, we introduce all components. It is IC 386 LM386. Look at the cut point of the IC. These all are components of the point of the IC. There are total 8 points of IC. It is condenser. Look at the condenser. 220 UF condenser. 220 UF condenser. 10K resistor. 8 ohm speaker. I have connected wires with speaker already. It is 9-volt battery. 9-volt battery. 9-volt battery. Now we connect 5th point of IC with plus point of condenser, and less point of condenser we connect with the speaker plus point. Let us we soldered condenser with IC. We are soldering condenser with IC chip. Now we connect second point of condenser with plus point of speaker. With wire. This is less point of condenser. We are connected with speaker plus point. Now we connect. This is plus point of speaker. This is plus point of speaker. Remember it. Look at the diagram. Now we connect point number 4 and point number 2 with one another and connect these 2 points with less point of speaker. Here we will make a simple bridge to connect these 2 points. Now we solder it. All components attached carefully. Don't forget anything. Now we soldered less point of speaker with point number 4. After soldering it, we will make a simple bridge to connect point number 4 and point number 2. We solved a simple bridge. Our bridge is connected. Now we will connect point number 3 with resistor. Here is diagram of resistor.